Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and in today's video I'm going to do a flip through of Hannah Lynn's new book, Victorian Darlings. Let's have a look. Hi guys, I'm pretty excited today. I've managed to get a copy of this beautiful book by Hannah Lynn. This is the newest one that she's just brought out. It is available in PDF and also now on Amazon as well. So if you want to check out all the links for that, it is in the description below. So I'm doing a flip through of the PDF version today. I really love the book actually. It was really nice and pleasing. I've actually seen some of her images or sneak peeks of them in her VIP group, which has been fantastic. So if you haven't heard of that, I'll also pop the link for that in the description as well. It is great. It's only $2 a month and you get to get a free image in that group, and obviously you've got that exclusive group and you get exclusive images once a month, and also you get exclusive sneak peeks at her new upcoming things that she's doing. So it's a really good group and great people in there, so check it out. It's in the description below as well. So this book's really original. It's different. It's got all of the Hannah Lynn trademarks, like the beautiful eyes and the hair. So they're all the things that are in all of Hannah Lynn's books obviously, and they're all very similar, and I really like that though because it sets her apart from others, and I think it's good that the artist has those individual little traits that you can sort of recognize when you see an image as well. So each little Victorian darling has her own beautiful dress and her own little theme, a little bit something special about her, which is really great. I'm in love with the book. They're little dreamy images, and I'm sure that you guys will fall in love once you've seen them all as well. So if you'd like a copy, don't forget I've posted all the links in the description below there, so check that out. Just click on the little arrow to expand that further so you can see everything down there. It's got all my other special details in there as well. If you would like to get notifications when I do upload new videos, please click on the little bell as well, and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, I want you guys to like the video if you do like it, and also leave a comment and tell me which one that you like the best. I'd like to hear from you guys and see which one's the most popular, and maybe I'll color it for a tutorial as well. So guys, enjoy the rest of the flip through there. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Vero, all of those things, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.